Hello students, yesterday we studied about gram molecular mass and today we will see how to calculate number of gram molecules. See, calculate the number of gram molecule contained in the following masses. Mass it is given to you, that is 4.4 gram of CO2, and we have to calculate the number of gram molecules here. See, we know that the molecular mass of CO2 it is 12 into 12 plus 2 into 16, that is 32 plus 12, 44 EMU. And if we have to calculate out the number of gram molecules, it is equal to mass given in gram upon molecular mass. Mass in gram it is 4.4, it is given to us, upon the molecular mass of the given compound, and it will come out to be 0.1. In the same way, if we have to calculate out the number of gram molecules of 0.98 gram of H2SO4, so first we will calculate out the molecular mass of H2SO4, it will come out to be 98, and mass given in gram it is equals to 0.098 upon 98, it will be 1 into 10 raised to the power minus 3. Now see, mole, this all we have read in class 10th also. 1 mole is the amount of any substance which contains as many elementary entities. Entities means it can be atom, molecule or ion, as there are atoms in exactly 0.012 kg, that is 12 gram of carbon 12. Yes, so if we talk about 1 mole in general, it is equal to 0.6.022 into 10 to the 23 particles. If 1 mole atoms we are talking about, this atoms, if 1 mole molecules are there, these number of molecules, ions and electrons. Whatever is the entity here, it will be equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23 of that entity only. Now see the calculation of the mass of the following. See, first is 1 atom of sodium. If we have to calculate out the mass of 1 atom of sodium, see how we will calculate. We know that the gram atomic mass of sodium, it is 23, and this mass is this 23, it is equals to 1 mole, and it contains 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 sodium atoms. If 23 gram is containing 6.022 into 10 to the 23 sodium atoms, then mass of one atom will be, it is equals to 23 upon 6.022 into 10 to the power 23, it will come out to be 3.817 into 10 to the power minus 23 gram. Now if we have to calculate out the mass of 10 molecules of argon, and we know that argon is monoatomic, it means its one molecule contain one atom only, argon only. So gram molecular mass of argon, it is equals to its gram atomic mass only, because it is containing one atom only, that's why its gram molecular mass will be equals to its gram atomic mass, and its gram atomic mass is 40 gram, we know that. So this mass contains 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23 molecules. It means it is equals to, see, if 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23, they are containing 40 gram, then 1 and then 10, like this. Okay, 40 upon this into 10, and the answer will be 6.634 into 10 raised to the power 22 gram. Thank you.